All right, so we went on ahead and primed for the second time off camera, and this time it looks so much better. I believe I had my air pressure up just so much because it was leaving like real rough texture. So now this is a lot smoother now. So the only thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna come here and we'll probably start off, I'm gonna sand this with 320, and then we're gonna start doing wet sanding. But before I do that, my globe, I need to go ahead and prime my globe real quick because I forgot to prime that yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and scuff it up and let's get to priming. Right there. Right there. Alright. Keep on sanding until we get to where we want it to be. We got 3 more panels, then we're going to wet sand. All right, crew, we are back at it, man. We just got through cleaning up the paint booth. We went on ahead and wet sanded all the parts, getting them ready for paint. These are all the pieces that we will be painting. Haven't quite decided. Normally with this SO, the colors are red, blue, and white. Very simple design, so I'm not really quite sure yet what I need to do. One thing I do need to do before I actually paint, I got to drill a hole because this pump did not come with a globe, but we're going to put a globe on it. So I'm going to have to drill a hole here, and I should have done that before I did all the body work to it. But maybe I can do it without messing it up. I do it a whole lot smaller than the actual globe is. So we will have to do that. So maybe tomorrow, Friday, a couple of days, we'll come in here and we have to get some more filters for the paint booth. I cleaned it up the best I could. We wiped everything down. You can see the floors are wet because every time I get through wet sanding and stuff, and doing just my body work, we always clean the paint booth out before it's time to paint. So that's going to be it for this section of the video. Excuse my appearance, I am dog wet and sweaty, guys. Putting the work in. You know, you got to put the work in if you want something nice. And I think these parts are going to turn out really good. These parts came out really slick. I'm very happy with it. So the next time we're in the paint booth, next time we're in here, before we start painting, we just gotta tidy up like the little brass fittings, some of the chrome fittings and stuff that go on paint. We're gonna scuff those up and try to polish them as best we can. I don't want to paint those parts. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out these last couple of days with me. We're on our way for another gas pump build, and I think it's gonna look sweet. It's gonna be an SO gas pump. We're gonna go ahead and get to it, guys. So if you like this video, you want to see more videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And like I always tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.